from common salt. Common salt. Now what is common salt?
Salt used in our homes.
Very good. It is a sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride.
Very good. Sodium chloride. So this sodium chloride will take it as a raw material. Raw material for preparation of other chemicals. Other important chemicals will include. Now why we are taking this common salt as a raw material? Because we can directly take this common salt from the seas, and this is used as a raw material to prepare the other chemicals. Now if anyone say how common salt is prepared, react acid, which is hydrochloric acid, with the base, that is NaOH. So can you tell me which reaction it is?
Neutralization.
Neutralization reaction. Very good. So whenever acid reacts with any base, it forms salt and water. Now which salt will form? Sodium chloride and water. So this is common salt. First chemical is caustic soda. What is its chemical formula? Can anyone tell?
NaOH.
Caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide. Very good. NaOH. We have done at the just start of this chapter when I have taken the examples of the bases. And what is its common name? That is already written. Caustic soda. Now its chemical name, sodium hydroxide. First thing we'll do preparation. Preparation of caustic soda. Now what do you have to do? This process by which the caustic soda is prepared from the raw material, this is known as chloralkali process. Why? Let me tell you. What you will take? Sodium chloride as a raw material and dissolve in the water. So it will form a aqueous solution, and this is known as brine solution. Brine solution. So what is brine solution? You can write the definition over here. What is brine solution? Brine solution is a mixture of common salt in water. Now what it will form? When sodium chloride reacts with water, then what it will form? One product will form whatever we are required. So sodium hydroxide, and along with two gases will form. So this process is taking place in the presence of again electricity. Okay, sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas and chlorine gas will form. Now balancing. Sodium is 1, chlorine is 2, so I'll put 2 over here. Now sodium become 2 over here. Okay, now chlorine is 2, sodium is 2. Now hydrogen is 2, hydrogen over here, 2 plus 2, 4. Oxygen is 2, oxygen already 2. So this is a balanced chemical equation. Now this process is known as chloralkali process. The process by which caustic soda is prepared is known as chloralkali process. Reason why this is known as chloralkali process? Because chlorine and alkali are formed as products. So this is alkali What are alkalis? Alkalis are the bases soluble in water, and this is the chlorine. So because alkali, which is sodium hydroxide, the bases which are soluble in water are known as alkali, and chlorine are formed as
Products.
products. So in chloralkali process, we make a apparatus. From here, we'll start passing a brine solution. Brine solution, you already know, it is a mixture of common salt with water. Okay.
Water.
Now I'll place 2 electrodes over here. 2 electrodes. Now the electrode which is connected to the positive terminal is known as, can anyone tell? Electrode which is connected to the positive terminal is known as
Cathode.
anode. So this is anode. And which is connected to the negative terminal is known as cathode.
Cathode.
Okay. So this is anode, this is cathode. So when brine solution will pass, and we'll turn the switch on, so electricity will start passing through the brine solution, then reaction will take place. Okay. So at anode, tell me which gas will form at anode. Anode is now positive terminal. Positive terminal. Out of H2 and Cl2, which gas will form at anode? Are you
H2.
Yes.
H2.
What would be the reason behind that? Opposite charge. If it is positive, it will attract negative charge. Now out of hydrogen ion and chlorine ion, which is negative? Chlorine ion or
Chlorine.
chlorine ion? Yes, Cl.
Chlorine.
So chlorine will form at anode. So from here, chlorine gas will be liberated above the anode, and at cathode, hydrogen gas will be liberated out. Caustic soda in aqueous form. In aqueous form, caustic soda. So we can collect the caustic soda from here. This is how chloralkali process would be done. NaCl in water. This is brine solution. Then it will form caustic soda and hydrogen gas and chlorine gas. Balancing we have done. Which gases are found at node? Chlorine gas. At cathode, hydrogen gas is collected. This thing you have to take care. This is all about chloralkali process. Now after that, uses. So you have to do the uses of hydrogen gas. Second, uses of chlorine gas. Now chlorine gas, main thing for the chlorine gas, you have to remember that this chlorine gas is used as a disinfectant in the water. So whatever the water we are getting from the any pump or from any waterworks, that chlorine is gas is mixed in that water. So it kills the bacteria or germs in the water. Second, used in swimming pools again. Chlorine is also used to prepare PVC pipe. You might have heard about this PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Whatever the pipes we are using for water supply, there is a label of PVC pipes. Okay, PVC full form is polyvinyl chloride. So fourth is in CFCs. CFC is clear, chlorofluorocarbons. Uses of caustic soda. NaOH. To remove the grease from the metals. Okay, caustic soda is used. Then it is used in the paper industries. Let's go for the second chemical, that is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, what would be its chemical formula? CaOCl2, and chemical name, it is calcium oxychloride. Oxy means single oxygen, and common name is, that is already written, bleaching powder. So first thing, let's do the preparation. Now according to your books, there is only one reaction how bleaching powder would be prepared. Let me tell you that first. So I'll take a slate line. What is the formula of slate line? Calcium hydroxide. Then I'll pass a chlorine gas in the slate line. And what it will form? One thing which we need, calcium oxychloride. And along with this, water will form. And this reaction is already balanced. Cl2, hydrogen 2, oxygen 2. Yes, the reaction is balanced.
For Bachmann's process, dry slaked lime is used as a raw material which is fed into the tower from the hopper at the top. A current of chlorine gas is also provided at the same time from an inlet at the bottom of the tower. As the shelves inside the plant rotate, the dry slaked lime comes into contact with chlorine gas, which is moving from bottom to top. The dry slaked lime, which is chemically calcium hydroxide, then chemically reacts with chlorine gas and forms bleaching powder and water. The bleaching powder is then collected in the barrel placed at the base of the tower.
But in this reaction, we have not used the raw material, which is common salt. You might be asked that prepare the bleaching powder from the raw material sodium chloride. So what do you have to do? Now in first step, do the chloralkali process. Whatever we have done to prepare the caustic soda. We get chlorine gas. So that reaction you have to write. And in second step is same. So in chloralkali process, whatever we get chlorine gas, because in chloralkali process raw material used is sodium chloride, NaCl plus water forms caustic soda plus H2 plus Cl2. That chlorine gas which we get from the chloralkali process, that would be passed through the slake line. After preparation, let's do the uses of bleaching powder. It is used in the laundries to bleach the washed clothes. Another thing, it is also used in the paper industry to bleach the paper. This bleaching powder, it contains oxygen also. Oxygen. So it is used as a oxidizing agent. Okay, what are oxidizing agent which provide the oxygen? In first chapter we have done. It contains oxygen. Now fourth, it also contains chlorine. It would be used as a disinfectant. in the drinking water. So we have covered two salts.